Hello, rising juniors and rising seniors. Congratulations on completing your school year. I know that it has been a difficult one, but you did it, and pat on the back to you as you move into your next grade level. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Carol McGlynn. I'm the director of Trio College Access Services, the Upward Bound and Talent Search program located at the University of Maine at Presque Isle. Also, for you new students, new Upward Bound students who I haven't had a chance to personally meet, welcome. Welcome to the Upward Bound program. This isn't the most ideal situation for you to start out your Upward Bound experience through remote learning, but I promise you we will get back to on-person meetings, hopefully in the fall time, and then the ability to meet as one big Upward Bound group in October for our first UB Saturday. More news about that down the road. So, what I wanted to talk with you about today, though, is summer programming and what are the dates, what are your needs, what is it that we're going to help you with and send you, and all of the information that you need to feel better about when it starts and what the expectations of you are for the summer. So I'm going to start with the students who are enrolled in the sociology class. You are starting Monday, June 15th, and your class with Lisa LeDuc, sociology class, will last for 6 weeks. So your dates are from June 15th to July 24th. I know your advisors have reached out to you about your maine.edu accounts. If for some reason you don't have one or you do not have that information to set one up, please reach out to your advisor as soon as possible. It's important because Professor LeDuc will be sending you a Zoom invite on Monday to begin her class. And your classes with her will be Monday through Thursday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday with her, live classes from 12 to 2. And on Wednesdays, you'll be doing tutoring sessions with Joy Gibson from 12 to 2 as well. So it's important that you're set up with your maine.edu accounts and that you're ready to roll on Monday, June 15th. Again, if you have any questions about that, please reach out to your advisor or to me personally. If you are enrolled in a college class and you also want to take an elective class, your elective class begins on June 29th and will end July 31st. So, although your college class is starting a week earlier, your elective class really is not starting until the 29th. So for that first week of your sociology class, don't worry about an elective class because you won't have one. And also, we will be sending a package through the mail for you for your elective class supplies. So be on the lookout for that. If you have not selected to take an elective class and you are in a college class, then your classes, again, will end the 24th of July. For those of you who are not enrolled in a college class, and this is the majority of you, your classes start, your core classes and your elective classes start June 29th, Monday, June 29th. And most of you will be going through to August 7th because of the work experience program. A lot of you have signed up for the work experience program, and I'm very excited because I think you will get a lot out of your work experience class this year. If you have not signed up for work experience, your summer programming again begins the 29th, but it will end July 31st. You will also be receiving a package in the mail with all of your supplies that you need this summer. for your core classes along with your elective classes. We will be sorting out supplies and we'll be shipping off boxes to those students who are, let's say, for example, you've signed up for photography. So you'll get your boxes full of your core class supplies along with materials for your photography class. So you will receive your schedule, a main calendar that shows you when your live classes will be, your schedule that will tell you when your live core classes and elective classes will be, and along with your work experience. You will find on your schedules there's really only one time per class, and that one time means that's when you have to get on Zoom or however your instructor is doing it. You will be notified, and those will be live class times. Those are the expectations that we have of you. There aren't a lot of classes that you have this summer, so the expectation is that you will participate in the live classes. Each instructor will reach out to you and certainly will be in touch with you and let you know what it is their expectations are for you in the summertime. Just like on-campus, in-person live classes, we expect you to do your homework, ask questions. If you need help, let your instructors know, all of it. We are also setting up a separate platform called Google Community, where we're really excited about this. This is where the CTs will come into play, and we'll still be doing pats on the back and SAT word of the day and uploading videos, and we'll have financial literacy information for you. It's just a platform for you to use to have fun in, and also to get some very valuable information. That community, Google Community, is for all students. It isn't just for rising juniors and seniors, but it will be for all students to utilize and be a part of. And we're very excited about implementing that and getting you all on board with that. So I think that's it, other than you'll all be getting also maine.edu accounts. When you get your package, you'll have to activate your account. This will enable our instructors to be able to set up their classrooms by having a maine.edu account. For them and for you, we can set up the classrooms, and it should work out rather smoothly. I'm not naive enough to think that this we won't have any technology issues at all, because I think we will. But if you are having any issues with technology, you need to reach out to us ASAP so that we can try to get those rectified as soon as possible. Again, we look forward to our summer programming with you. I think you're going to get a lot out of it. If you have any questions about the summer program, please reach out to your advisor, or you can reach out to me, Carol.McGlynn, McGlinn, @maine.edu, or you can certainly give me a call at 768-9620. Again, we would much rather be on campus with you, but since we can't, we hope that we're going to provide you with the next best thing. So take care, everybody. We will be seeing all of you really, really soon. And until then, don't hesitate to reach out if you need anything. Thanks so much.